G'day from Air Tools WA. Ask us anything about air. This time we're looking at the AKKO AT150 air compressor. The AKKO AT150 is powered by a 15 horsepower 4-pole 3-phase electric motor which is controlled by a contact and electronic motor protector. It drives 3 B-section belts that power a massive cooling fan and a full cast iron triple cylinder pump that produces 61.1 CFM free air delivery. It sits on a 250 litre tank and also features a pressure gauge, a massive high flow manifold and a simple yet very reliable single phase pressure switch. As you can see, the AKKO AT150 is a fantastic compressor designed for industrial use and can easily power multiple air tools all day long without sacrificing performance. AKKO, dollar for dollar, unbeatable. For more information, please visit our website at airtoolswa.com.au. And as always, thanks for watching.